Well, we're at John's house today getting ready to pick up the motorcycles. We're going to go up see Dennis's house, and then we're going to go to the beach and check out the beach. And then from there, we're going to meet up with some local cruisers, and we're going to take the motorcycles a long way up the top of the mountains and check out a resort that you're going to get to with horses, mules, 4x4, or motorcycles. So that should be pretty interesting to check it out. So anyway, guys, hang on, and we're going to do this.
I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now.
Dennis's house, man, this place is beautiful. It's like, wow. I mean, overlooks the mountains. Right on the other side of those mountains is Haiti, too. So we're right, pretty close to the border of Haiti. But yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous place. But anyway, this is Dennis's house. It's really cool. Well, this is Playa Ensanata, so it's pretty cool. You can go swimming here. Great sand. Vendors come around and sell everything, and there's girls that walk by selling other things. Anyway, it's a pretty cool place.
Uh-huh. Is that what he's doing? Wow, this is so cool.
The weather was still nice. I said, let's keep going. So got here, and I was gonna stay at, I was on my way to St. John, actually. And the Irma just came in.
Well, they haul everything on these motorcycles. I actually passed someone hauling had a bed on the back of their motorcycle, and then someone the other day seen a cow on the back of a motorcycle. Guy hauling a cow. So you see everything on the back of these things: refrigerators, stoves, 4 people and a baby laying on the gas tank. Nothing's uncommon here. So we're to see Christmas. I mean, it's like November the 18th, and they got all the Christmas decorations up, and yeah, it's weird here. It's probably in the 90s, and we got Christmas decorations, but it is cooling up because we're heading up into the mountains to see the resort, so it'll get cooler. Time to stop and get something to drink and get a little sausage. It's nice to pull over and get this stuff. It's really, really cheap, and it's really, really good. Well, we're at a resort at the very top of these mountains, and it's really cool up here. It's really nice. And the scariest ride of my life. The only way you can get up here, I was on trail bikes, donkey, mule, horse, 4x4, and the only way to get up here, and it's just friggin' gorgeous, but it's the most scariest ride of my life. But I'm sure, I'm not saying this right, but I think it's Protectora or something like that. But they have little bungalows up here you can rent. If you want to get away from everything, this is the place to go. It's really nice. But anyway, check this place out. This place is awesome. It was just pretty cool. This is where they grow their chocolate, and this is like a chocolate plant here, and that they beat the chocolate, and it's really good. We were eating right out of the fruit here. It's awesome beating chocolate right out of a fruit. But anyway, they're crushing the chocolate up here and making chocolate. But these little bungalows and stuff, this is where you can rent these. I think they're like $30 a night, and then you get free food, all the food you want. It's a pretty good deal. But it's just friggin' gorgeous up here, and it's so high up. When I drove up here on the motorcycle, my ears were popping. So we're several thousands of feet up, so it's up towards the clouds. So it's really cool. All these guys here is cruisers. They either still live in the harbor on their sailboats, or they're gringos that have sold their motorcycle or their boats and are living in houses like here in Luperon. But all these guys started out, if they're not current cruisers, they were cruisers. But anyway, they do this ride every Saturday. They pick a place and they'll go to it. Like next weekend it'll be somewhere else. But every weekend they go different places and check out the Dominican Republic. So it's pretty cool. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Lupron. Some days I think I'm going to stay on the boat. I'm just going to stay on the boat today. And next thing I know, 2 hours later, I'm on the top of a mountain. I never know. Someone always asks me to do something with them, and I never know I'm doing for one time or another. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Big shout out for John for letting us borrow his motorcycles and all the great cruisers and the guys and the girls here at Lupron Harbor. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and keep watching. All right, cool. See ya. Bye.